These are flying off the shelf, and we just bought these from Nee doh for my daughter. So I thought I'd do a little comparison. These are so fun. Okay, so these are both Nee doh. This one is the Nee doh Fuzz Ball, and this one is the Nee doh Ice Cube. This is the larger size. It's like 2 inches. They do make a smaller size as well. They are both kind of a slow rise, super satisfying, no residue squishies, but the texture is totally different. The Fuzz Ball gets dirty real quick. You can just wash it. They are waterproof. Nothing's gonna like leak in or out. So just wash it with soap and dry it. But kind of like those silicone phone cases and stuff, it just really kind of attracts dust and hairs and dirt and stuff. But the little fuzzies on here, they are the like, you know, like that kind of stretchy, almost like a teeny tiny koosh. Remember the koosh balls? It's kind of similar to that. So you could just feel it, like the little like soft silicone fuzz. So it's really cool. And then of course it's squishy, really durable. And the more you squish it, like the softer the squish. It's like really a lot harder at first, and then you kind of warm it up and leave it alone for a while. It gets harder again. And then as for the ice cube, it's such a different vibe. It literally is like a cube, and then you just start like squishing it. It's so cool the way it's translucent. Both of these come in a ton of different colors. If you had me choose one, I guess I'd say the ice cube, but honestly, you gotta get both. Make yourself a little Nee doh collection because they have the best like fidgets and squishies. So good. Oh my gosh. Love these, love these, love these. And I know you will too.